joining this breakout room. Um, we will be doing a rotationary basis between AIESEC, the NES Holistic, as well as um, the Reach breakout room. So feel free to switch over if you're interested. And maybe we can start off by maybe me asking you whether you have any questions to ask NES before I share about NES, or you guys can obviously feel free to go through the virtual tour, take a look at what they have. Very interesting. Yeah. Anyone have any questions?
Hey Ryan, this is Mother. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, hi.
Um,
How are you, Mother?
I'm good, buddy. I'm good. So I'll tell you where I'm coming from. I used to be in AIESEC. I actually was in
Oh,
AIESEC in India, and I ran it. I was president of AIESEC India about 30 plus years ago. I live in
wow.
Singapore now, and I've been a banker about 30 years, and I'm going
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be
That's
starting as
great.
an independent. So I'm actually starting my entrepreneurship journey right now.
Wow.
After 30 years.
Better late
Um,
than never, right?
and I haven't really been associated with AIESEC, and I can see some
Okay.
folks out here in AIESEC. I'd love to just get associated with AIESEC out here, and see if I can help in any way. So that's one. Two, in what I'm going to be starting, which is business consulting
Right.
for startups
Business
and
consulting for startups. Okay.
right. So but it's not just fintechs, it's actual organizations which are just starting up
Yep.
and probably have, let's say, between 0 and 3 or 0 and 5 years of experience,
Yep.
and working with the management teams and trying to help them scale. And I've got a global network, which is all my
Mm.
ex-ISEC alumni around the world, and as well as where I used to work, and I can help them scale up. So
Okay.
what I'm really looking for is if I can, one, if I can help ISEC. Two,
Right.
if I can help entrepreneurs which are starting out and help them think through what the next steps are. So that's where I'm coming from. So that's the
Okay.
reason I'm attending this, and I'm hoping I can make some contacts and network and see if I can continue some relationships.
Yeah, 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 that's sure. That'll be interesting. But this is just me sharing a bit more about entrepreneurs or the startup space in general, right? For the startup space in general, many startups do not have a lot of capital for paid consulting, and
Oh, that I
generally
know.
there's a lot of
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something very specific. If startups want to
okay,
reach investors, what they
okay,
really need to do is explain their idea in like a minute or 2 minutes,
yeah,
not
yeah,
take like an hour. They lose
yep,
people's concentrations. And
that's
and
right.
and and one of the things that I'd like to just get involved with is to see if we can just run some programs to help people get their act together, and how do I consolidate 20 selling points into just three.
Right, right. Right now there are actually a few NUS courses which teach exactly that, and a bit
Okay.
more in terms of the peripherals. So it's a very interesting idea that you are bringing in your global network into this. Maybe we could have a separate call with regards to this, and we can touch base a bit more.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Just
cool.
just ping me.
Maybe
How do I connect with you? Or you have my email?
could you privately message me on Zoom your email, and then
Okay. Can you
I'll
just
I'll
private
contact
message
you.
me? I'm new to Zoom, and I will respond.
Okay, sure. No worries.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, cheers. Anybody have any other questions?
And sorry, just one more thing. That goes for the ISEC folks too. If there's anybody from the MC out here, I'd be happy to connect with you guys. If you can just send me a note, I'll respond.
Cool. So for the other people, feel free to just walk through the virtual gallery. The link has been posted onto the Zoom, so take a look at that. And yeah,
Maybe Ryan, you want to share like more about your upcoming initiatives in NES?
Sure. Let me just put on some slides so it's easier for everyone to take a look.
Okay, sure.
Right. Oh. Mm. Okay, so this is a bit more about NES. I've shared about us already. What we are doing is that we generally also showcase the 4 events that we do. We have our own credit bearing module if anyone's interested in this coming semester. And we aim to build entrepreneurship so-called Youthtopia, whereby we have a very strong foundation and support for the young entrepreneurs in our community. So we have many industry partners in the space, and this also comes to some of the support that we're giving. And for the events, we have 4 flagship events. The first event happening in February is Unicorn. So it's one of Asia's largest entrepreneurship student conferences. And we have a Unicorn Arena, which is a pitching competition, as well as many different workshops and master classes for you to get to know entrepreneurs around the world, as well as the entire entrepreneurship industry. So at the same time, we also have Ground Zero, which is happening next year in May. And what Ground Zero does is that it's a 48-hour startathon. And it's similar to a hackathon, but what we do is that we get problem statements from different companies, and we use that to give these students innovative challenge. And it's actually one of Singapore's biggest startathons. In fact, this May, we hit a total of 450 participants, which was very impressive. It was very massive and very, very interesting. So if you guys are interested to attend this, we provide mentors for you to connect, etc. Do take note of it next May. But coming, something happening very soon will be Spark Tank X. Spark Tank X is essentially an annual pitching event whereby we invite down NRIs and angel investors to give funding support for local startups. And this is also a great space for junior entrepreneurs to really share about their ideas, share about their product, and this is somewhere for them to get some attention. At the same time, it's also a good space for junior entrepreneurs to uh, get their idea validated and see how things are in the space, especially with these mentors over there to guide them, as well as maybe poke a few holes in their ideas. Spark Tank X is also a mentorathon. So for 5 to 6 hours, what will happen is that the startups will be paired up with mentors, and you have their full attention. So it's very interesting, very good opportunity if you want to do a startup in general. And what's happening next week is actually Social Oven. So what Social Oven is a youth-run social enterprise event. So what it is that we have masterclasses, fireside chats, as well as mentorships, all in a pitching event for social enterprises. So if you're interested to create social enterprises or start one, do come down next week and see the pitching happening already. Unfortunately, the um, unfortunately the signups have closed for the social enterprises themselves, but you can still come and watch as the audience free of charge. We are not having any ticket sales for this year. Furthermore, it's online, so it's very convenient, very easy for anyone to go take a look. And for Social Oven, it's going to be very exciting this year because the prizes are up to $30,000 in terms of funding for these social enterprises. So yeah, do come down and take a look. So these are the 4 so-called flagship events for NES. And we also do a whole bunch of other initiatives. We have Start and Startup, which is our webinar series that we hold every month, either in the first or second week. Next Tuesday, we have webinar series for the US startups, which is where we're going to showcase Silicon Valley startups founders, which will come and talk about the US ecosystem and how you can get started in the US ecosystem if you want to fly over there. So it's very interesting. You can take a look at that. In fact, you can check for our Start and Startup Telegram group, which I will post the link later. And it's a very huge group with 737 people in the membership. And because we post entrepreneurship content and we really filter the content on that group to make sure that you guys get the best entrepreneurship opportunities there. So we also have our own NES Start module. So the NES Start module is a credit bearing module, it's a 2MC module. And that's one of the things whereby we teach entrepreneurship all the way from pitching to how to create a business model and team chemistry and giving you the best support, like linking you up with incubators and accelerators. Finally, this is something a bit more exclusive for NES. We have the NES Bootcamp. So NES Bootcamp happens every September for NES members, and we bring in all the industry experts from, let's say, DBS, Grab, Shopback. We use our best connections to host networking events as well as masterclasses between the members as well as these industry experts. So that's very exciting, and that's more for next year. So in terms of sponsorship events, we also do a few sponsorship events for our partners as well as our sponsors. And that's more for sponsors to know. But if you are interested to be an NES member, then there are all these exciting events happening. In fact, in December, what's happening is that a few of our members have collated to come together to create an app. And this app we're going to be using to spread the knowledge that we currently have as well as the intellectual property. So if you guys are very interested to find out more about entrepreneurship as well as all that, this app will be the one stop for you to get to know a bit more about the industry as well as the resources that we currently have. Yeah. Next year we may have an NES Appreciation Festival, and this is more for us and our sponsors to connect. And that is all that I have to share about NES as well as the initiatives that we are currently doing. As the head of partnerships, generally we also do a few other events, such as, not events, we do a few other initiatives, such as that we connect with partners from more or less 40 to 60% of the incubators and accelerators in Singapore. And we are well connected to many of the different industries in Singapore, be it the gaming industry, the robotics, I wouldn't say tech because tech is huge. Maybe I would say SaaS industry, or perhaps even the food tech industry, where we have many interesting startups going about, from insect alternative food to vegetarian mayonnaise, all these very interesting startups all in the ecosystem. So yeah, if you have any questions regarding that, feel free to ask. Now I'll just take a small breather and if anyone has any questions, do you like to ask anything? This is also a good time for us to connect, by the way. If you are interested in NES or want to talk more after this, it'll be a good time for you guys to either you can message me privately over Zoom, or you can ask a question now. Okay, if no questions, then you guys can feel free to continue through the art steps. Yeah.